Hi, I'm Tania from Spotahome Milan, and today we are in Via Pericle. We are really close to Via Le Monza and also to Via Le Fulvio Testi. So we are just a walk away from the nearest underground station, that's Precotto, on the red line. Also we are close to the train station Greco Pirelli. It's a little far away from here, and with these trains we can get to the hinterland of Milan and to the northern Lombardia. We are in a shared apartment today. It's a quiet apartment. We have just one bedroom available because the other one is occupied. We have one shared bathroom and we have one kitchen. And we can start the tour now of the apartment. I want to show you the entrance here. We have the stairs. As I said, it's a second floor without the elevator, and it's the last floor of the building, so we haven't got anyone upon our heads. We enter the apartment here. We have a narrow entrance. Here on our right we have the bathroom, the kitchen, and over there there's the bedroom, and in front of us there's a little storage space. On the other side we have the other bedroom, the one that's occupied, that will not be rented. Now we enter the bathroom. As you can see, it's a lived apartment because it's occupied already. We have a bath tube here with a curtain, also to take a shower. We have the sink, the bidet and the toilet, and there's an opaque window for the privacy. It's a quiet place because we are in an interior. Now we enter the kitchen. We have a little but comfortable space here. The table, we have here the table. This is the stove and the oven. It's a fully equipped kitchen, as I said, because there's already one people living here. We have the fridge, the sink, and here we have the washing machine. I want to show you that we face on an interior courtyard here. So also the rentable bedroom faces on the same courtyard. We are in a private street, however, so it makes the traffic less frequent. Now we enter the bedroom that we will rent. We have a large bed, but it's just for one person. Here we have the wardrobe, the storage. Here we have some shelvings. As I said, we face on an interior, so it's a quiet place. We have a little desk. There's a lot of space because we also have a nightstand here. And we have an additional room for storage. I want to show you just a little. We have a lot of stuff here, a lot of space, because here you can store everything you need to hide from the view. We are in a really alive neighborhood because, as I said, we are near Via Le Monza. It's a multicultural neighborhood full of shops, ethnic shops, and a lot of places to eat ethnic food or just to chill out and the tour is over. Thank you from Tanya from Spotahome Milan. Ciao ciao!